cases since May 9th, 2023. In light of this unfortunate situation, we wish to draw our attention to Rule 84 of the Rules of Procedure and Conduct of Business in the Senate 2012, which empowers you, Mr. Chairman, as the Chairman of the Senate, to issue production orders when you consider the presence of a detained member necessary. Rule 84, agar aap padhein sir, this grants the Chairman the discretionary power to summon a member in custody for a sitting or sittings of the Senate if their presence is deemed essential. It is our sincere belief, and I'm sure it is the sincere belief of all the Senate, given the critical circumstances of the potential impact on Senate proceedings, that Senator Ejaz Ahmed Khan Chaudhry's presence is indeed necessary during the current session, especially jab kal ke din presidential election ho raha hai sir, the vote to unhone karna hi hai, ye unki constitutional right hai, and we cannot have one of our senators sitting in jail while we are all. We acknowledge that the term necessary is subjective and should be carefully considered in each case. In the case of Senator Ejaz Ahmed Chaudhry, his attendance is not only important for his own participation, but also for the Senate's effective functioning. Sir, ये उनकी तो right है ही, लेकिन with due respect, ये पूरी Senate की एक right है कि हमारा एक भी senator, चाहे किसी तरफ से हो, opposition या treasury benches से, अगर उसको वोट के लिए आप नहीं लेके आ सकते, अगर एक as a Senate हमारे पास इतनी ताकत और हिम्मत नहीं है कि हम एक अपने फेलो सेनेटर को प्रेसिडेंट के पाकिस्तान के वोट के लिए ना बुला सके, तो then it will be a shameful act, I think, for the entire Senate. Sir, the issues at hand are of great importance, and the detained members' perspective and contributions are vital to the deliberations and decisions to be made in the Senate. इसमें सर इस लेटर में हमने केस लॉ भी कोट किया है. There is the case of Mr. Asif Ali Zardari, PLD 1992 Karachi 430, जिसमें हाई कोर्ट ने कहा था कि whether you are in under trial or whether you are in prison, you have to be called for a proceeding of any house, whether it's National Assembly or Senate or Provincial Assembly. That is a right, and the Honorable Chairman or the Speaker in the case of National Assemblies and Provincial Assemblies, उनकी ये हक है, बल्कि obligation है, duty है कि वो production order करें. मैं दूसरा cases भी कोट कर सकता हूँ इसके ऊपर, लेकिन सर ये मामला अदालतों का नहीं है. अदालतों से क्यों हम मदद मांगे? ये तो right हमारे पास है, आपके पास है, as custodian of the house, कि right आप exercise करें. तो ये बहुत अहम है सर. In view of the foregoing, sir, we the undersigned members respectfully request you to exercise your discretion as per Rule 84, जो आपके सामने है और जो आपने पढ़ा, to issue production orders in favor of Senator Ejaz Ahmed Chaudhry, that is both a parliamentary privilege and an essential component of justice. और हम request आपसे ये कर रहे हैं that he may be allowed to exercise his right to cast his precious vote for the presidential election, number one, and number two, because वो बीमार भी हैं सर, उनकी reports आ रही हैं कि उनको